At our house, we love cooking in our big cast iron skillet. I thought I would share how to easily clean a cast iron skillet, although this applies to any kind of cast iron pan. I hear a lot of people are hesitant to use cast iron when cooking because they don't know how to clean it, or they are afraid of ruining it. Hopefully, I can shed some light on these concerns as it's actually why easy to clean cast iron. Welcome to the Cleaning Hacks channel. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll guide you through the art of cleaning a cast iron skillet like a pro. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean the pan while it's still hot. After you're done cooking with your cast iron skillet, it's good practice to clean it while it's still hot. Although it might be tempting to leave the cleaning for later, addressing it immediately will make the process much easier. Stuck-on food tends to harden as the pan cools down, making it more challenging to remove. By taking a few minutes to care for your cast iron right after cooking, you'll save yourself a lot of effort in the long run. Step 2. Clean the pan with hot water, no soap. To start the cleaning process, use hot water to help loosen any food that has stuck onto the pan's surface. The heat of the water works to soften the residue, making it easier to remove. It's important to note that using soap on a cast iron skillet is a topic of debate. Traditional advice suggests avoiding soap as it can strip the seasoning from the pan, which contributes to its non-stick properties. Some sources claim that using a tiny amount of soap is safe, but after testing both methods, it has been determined that even a small amount of soap can affect the cast iron seasoning. Therefore, it's generally recommended to steer clear of using soap to clean your cast iron skillet. Step 3. Using salt and a dry towel for stuck-on messes. For those stubborn bits of food that are clinging to the pan, there's a simple yet effective solution: salt and a dry towel. The abrasiveness of the salt acts as a gentle scrubber, helping to lift the stuck-on food away from the pan's surface. Take a handful of salt and sprinkle it over the problem areas. Then, take a dry towel, preferably one with a textured surface, and use it to work the salt into the mess. The texture of the towel provides more surface area for scrubbing, enhancing your cleaning efforts. If the food residue is still stubbornly clinging to the pan, you can try boiling a small amount of water in the pan. The steam generated from the boiling water can further loosen the food particles, making them easier to remove. By following these steps, you'll effectively clean your cast iron skillet without compromising its valuable seasoning. Remember that maintaining your cast iron skillet seasoning is crucial for its non-stick properties and overall longevity. With proper care, your cast iron skillet will continue to be a reliable tool in your kitchen, capable of handling heavy-duty cooking and providing you with delicious meals for years to come. Congratulations! You've learned the art of cleaning and maintaining your cast iron skillet. With proper care, your skillet will become a cherished heirloom, passing down generations of delicious meals. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cooking enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking! Follow us on social media for more culinary tips and tricks. And remember, the joy of cooking starts with a well-loved cast iron skillet. See you in the next video!